I'm Miss French. I teach ELA and Social Studies.
I'm Miss Case. I teach Science and Social Studies.
And I'm Miss McKee, and I teach Math and Social Studies.
Welcome to the Kittyhawks.
At Pine Hollow, we start our days with something called Flight School. And what we do in Flight School each day depends on the day of the week. We do something different each day. So for Mondays, we have what's called our Monday morning meeting. Miss McKee will be talking to you about that in just a couple of minutes. Tuesdays and Thursdays are typically reserved for ELA and math pullout. So we focus on those things those days. Wednesdays are typically team days where we focus on an activity related to that quarter's theme. And for example, in first quarter, our team theme will be communication. So we'll be doing an activity related to that.
So I'm going to talk real quick about morning meeting. So typically on every Monday morning meeting, we would have during Flight School. And since we are a larger team, we are going to have morning meeting in the theater so that we can all sit together in one circle. And very basically, morning meeting is a time for students to share, reflect, practice some social skills, and also a time for the whole team to meet together one time to review the week ahead and go over any questions that anyone may have. So I'm going to walk you through getting to our team website. So first you're going to start by the 6th grade website, which you can get to from our Pine Hollow website. And this has all the general information for 6th grade, general things about Pine Hollow and things you will need to know. And then if you go up to our track 3, that will bring you to our team's website. So very basically, on the home page, we just have the information for our 3 teachers. Above each of the teachers, you will find a button to get more specific information about their content area. And since we all teach social studies, there's one link for social studies information down at the bottom. There's also buttons below each teacher to learn more about them. And then the 2 tabs that we have is one, a weekly newsletter, which as Ms. French stated is updated every Friday afternoon with a look at the week ahead, as well as announcements up at the top. And the other item we have on our website would be our team calendar, which we will put in important dates and information for you to see there.
This is our boarding pass. You can find it in the student agenda. It will last for 3 weeks and it's stapled to the starting week of that 3-week period. It's a spot for us to communicate with you about great job moments, warnings and consequences. We ask that you look at it every day and at the end of the 3-week period, there will be a date for you to return it signed. No signature doesn't mean that it was a bad day. So we'll communicate with you through this. Okay, so we will use several methods of communication with you this year. We communicate all of our due dates, assignments, anything important you need to know on our team newsletter. You can find that on our team website at the top. The quickest way to communicate with us throughout the day is with talking points. We'll get back to you as soon as we are able to. We will also communicate with you through the boarding pass that was mentioned earlier in the video. And lastly, you can reach us through email listed on our team website as well.
So when you walk in the front door, this is what you're looking at. If you're going to go to breakfast, you're going to go to the left. There's the cafeteria. Okay. And then if you're going to go right to our classrooms, you're going to turn to the right by the library and you're going to walk down this hallway. And then you're going to meet at these doors and then you're going to go left again. And then we are all the way down at the end of this hallway, okay? So I'm gonna pause it right now and then I'll meet you back at the end of the hallway. All right, so I've pretty much walked all the way to the end of the hallway and these are gonna be our 3 classrooms. So we have, right next to one another, we have Miss Case's science room. We have Miss McKee's math room. And then on the other side of these lockers will be your 3rd classroom, which will be with Miss French. And here is her classroom right here. Okay, so now I'm standing at the back door, which if you are a bus rider in the morning is where you'll be coming in. If you're gonna go to breakfast, you're gonna go straight and to the right, which the cafeteria is right there. If not, you're gonna be going to the left down this little hallway And then when you get to this point, you'll be able to go to the left, and those are our 3 classrooms right there.